If you want to optimize your partner program with PartnerStack, you're in the right place. Whether you're just starting or looking for ways to take your program to the next level, PartnerStack is a powerful tool that helps you manage and scale your partnerships. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use PartnerStack to streamline your program, increase partner engagement, and drive more sales. And if you stay tuned until the end, I'll share how you can try PartnerStack for free with an exclusive extended trial. One of the first steps to optimizing your partner program is setting up your PartnerStack account. When you log in for the first time, it's important to start with a clean, user-friendly dashboard. This is where you can view your partners, track progress, and analyze performance in real time. By having everything in one place, you'll save time and have a clear view of how your program is performing. Now that your account is set up, you'll want to focus on customizing your program to fit your business. PartnerStack allows you to create unique commission structures, set up payouts, and track your partner's performance in a way that aligns with your goals. Whether you want to incentivize specific actions or have a flat commission structure, PartnerStack has the flexibility to accommodate your needs. Next up, let's talk about partner recruitment. You'll want to bring in quality partners who are aligned with your brand and audience. PartnerStack makes this process smooth with its integration features. You can share a custom referral link to potential partners or use the PartnerStack marketplace to find top-tier partners who are already looking for opportunities like yours. Once you've recruited partners, the next step is to keep them engaged. This is where PartnerStack really shines. You can automate communication with partners, whether it's sending updates, offering incentives, or sending out marketing materials. The platform even allows you to track every step of the process, so you can see how well your partners are doing and what needs improvement. Another powerful feature is PartnerStack's reporting capabilities. With its robust analytics, you can track everything from conversion rates to partner performance. This helps you identify high-performing partners and optimize your program for maximum impact. Plus, these insights help you adjust your commission models or marketing strategies to boost results. PartnerStack also integrates with popular tools like Zapier, Salesforce, and HubSpot. These integrations make it easier to sync your partner data with your existing CRM, email marketing platforms, and other tools you use to manage your business. The platform's ability to work with your other systems ensures that your partner program runs smoothly without disrupting your existing workflows. And here's something to remember. Scaling your partner program doesn't have to be complicated. PartnerStack's platform allows you to easily onboard new partners, automate your workflows, and keep everything organized. The user-friendly design helps you save time, reduce errors, and focus on growing your program. To wrap it up, PartnerStack is a comprehensive solution that can optimize your partner program with its customizable features, automation, and robust analytics. From recruiting and managing partners to tracking their performance and driving results, it gives you everything you need to scale and optimize your program for success. Before we finish, don't forget that you can try PartnerStack for free by using the link below. This exclusive offer gives you extended access to the platform so you can explore all the features that will help you grow your partner program. Check out the first link in the description to get started today.